Hello, this is Barry McCormick. Welcome to the BastilleBSD video series. Today I'm going to do another BastilleBSD short. A short is where we look at one individual Bastille command and look at it in depth. Today we're going to look at the template command. Today's video will probably be a little longer than most shorts because the applying templates is a little bit bigger subject than some of the other commands. So, let's look at the Bastille documentation. As always, I have up the BastilleBSD website. Click on the documentation. Come down to template. That is missing from the list of commands. That needs to be fixed. Okay. Let's look at the template section. There's an entire section on template, but there still should be the template command there. Okay, starting in 0.7 we have template automation hooks. This goes into creating a template, applying templates. Containers must be running to apply templates. You can't apply a template to a container, to a jail that's not running. Bastille includes a template command. The command requires a target and a template name. Okay. Bootstrapping the templates. The one thing you have to do, this is the command to bootstrap all the templates. I've already run that command and bootstrap the templates. So if we look in user local Bastille templates, you have all these different directories. Originally the templates, and there's still copies of the templates sitting in GitLab, where you can pull individual templates and just get one template. One thing that we talked about early on was making the templates follow the ports tree. So what we've done is put all the templates in a ports tree. So if you're looking for Nginx, you look under www. If you're looking for something in, say, postfix, you look into mail. Java language, you look in Java. So the same place in the ports tree you would find these programs, they're in here. So let's look at under www. You have all these various templates. Nginx set up for Podre, Varnish, WordPress, Yarn, HA Proxy, Apache. You can apply all of these templates to a jail. Now, you can use the template. Let me pull the document back over here. Bastille, and this uses the example of Nginx. Bastille template, the name of the jail or target, and then www.nginx. Okay, so let's do that. I have these jails. Let's do Attica. Put Nginx on Attica. Bastille template. Okay, like all of our commands, you type Bastille template and hit enter. You get the help screen. So I need to do Bastille template. I'm not going to, don't need to do auto or X. The jail I'm going to hit is running. Attica's running. So Attica. And the template, I'll do www.nginx. Attica, applying template. Bootstrapping package. This jail is brand new, so it doesn't even have package installed on it. And this template will install and configure Nginx for you and have it set up and running. while this is going, just for your information, there's well over 100 templates we created. Templates from when I created the first 100 templates, our template format has changed drastically. We started from having multiple files in a template to what is now the Bastille file. So it's a one file that has all the information in it. Kind of borrowed the idea from the way you do a Docker file. So you have the one Bastille file. Now it's applying this. It's installing Nginx. Notice that it says starting Nginx, perform sanity check. So now, if I notice Nginx is running in this jail. So applying the template configured everything and set it up. Now if we go out, let me exit out of this console. Now if I go into Nginx, okay, not sure what that's all about. If you look at the template file, package Nginx, install Nginx, copy the user directory that is with this into the root. sysrc Nginx enable equal yes, so enable Nginx. It command Nginx-T, so test the configuration. Service Nginx restart to start it. That's all there is to the template. Now, this is a very simple template, but you saw running one command, you can set it up, so you can set up Nginx on multiple, using the template command, you can set Nginx up on multiple jails at one time. Let's say I wanted to do all, or remember targeting rules, you can target multiple jails, you can give it a list as long as you put them in double quotes. So I'm now applying Nginx to multiple jails. So using a template, rather than having to sit here and go into each jail and install Nginx, I can install it on multiple jails and have identical copies, identical Nginx setups. And this is true of all the templates. I'll kill that and do the other one. You can do is it went through and made sure Nginx is enabled and running on the one that was already installed. Now it's bootstrapping package on Bastion. It'll sit here and go through each and every one of them. So the Bastille template command, I said you have to bootstrap a template. Just like you have to bootstrap a release to build a jail, you have to bootstrap the templates because Bastille expects those templates to be in user local Bastille templates directory. You can download the templates, or you can go through the examples and you can build your own templates. If you get into building templates and you build a template that we don't have, please give us a copy of the template and we'll add it to our growing repository of templates so other people can benefit from the time you spent building a template. that's it for the templates. Remember, all it does, and it's sitting here installing Nginx. Now it's doing the same thing on Folsom. So like I said, if we sat here and watched it, it would finish doing the same thing. Hopefully, like I said, the documentation section talks about applying the ports or applying the templates. You can even have in your template, this one here is a Minecraft template that Krister did, building a Minecraft server for his son. So it compiles something from ports. So anything you can do to build a server or to build something, whether it's have to install from ports, install from packages, you can do that in templates. I think that's it for templates. Yeah, and it starts at 0.7 is when we went to the new format of the Bastille templates, of using the Bastille file. So hopefully this is giving you an insight into using the template. It's a subject that I could spend a good hour going over, but videos is short, so let's keep it short. Hopefully this has been informative and give you a good start on using templates. And as always, happy computing.